Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, April 3rd, and this is my gold analysis. If you haven't done so already, definitely do check out my free Discord channel, which is linked over here in the corner. And don't forget to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. So yesterday, gold ended up pushing up very hard at the in tariff news yesterday evening. Very hard move to the upside. We ended up going all the way up to my next Fibonacci level, which was my next area of resistance. It still kind of looks like a wave B to me, just because of the shape that I made. So I got my Fibonacci extended on this move down right here, and then projected off the top of this move. If it is a running ABC correction, then the 100% would be my target. So if it does turn back up at that level, it definitely could be an ABC, and it definitely could keep on going up. If it doesn't turn up at the 100%, then keep an eye on the lower level, the 161 or the 178%, because that likely would be the area to go long. Now, yesterday I was saying that it was likely not to go all the way up that high. It was likely to go down and make a wave C. But the problem is, especially with gold, is that the trend needs to be your friend. If you're looking for shorts and you are fighting one of the strongest trends I've seen in a decade, because the monthly is up, the weekly is up, the daily is up, the 4 hour time frame is up, there's no breaker structure down. The 1 hour time frame I would even argue is up because there's no breaker structure or anything. So if you've been looking for shorts and you are fighting one of the strongest uptrends I've seen in a decade, I would definitely continue to look for logs, whether or not this is a running and turns at the 100, or whether it goes down to here. Either way, I would ignore all shorts and I would still be looking for longs. My target for this move is still the 161.8 from the weekly time frame, which is the $3,275 area. So I am definitely still very bullish on gold. I definitely think we are still in a wave three on the very high time frames. And especially with gold, the trend needs to be your friend. Obviously, all you had to do is zoom out a little bit, and you can see why it would be so important to consider the trend your friend and only be looking for longs in a uptrend. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.